Today, we're going to be converting kilograms into grams and grams into kilograms. So let's get started. So in question number 1, we're being asked to convert 4 kilograms into grams. So looking up top here, we can see our conversion, and 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So when we're being asked to convert 4 kilograms into grams, we're being asked to make 4 equal groups of 1,000, or we're multiplying the value of our kilograms by 1,000 to convert it into grams. So when we make 4 equal groups of 1,000, we get 4,000. So 4 kilograms converts into 4,000 grams. So now moving on to question number 2, this time we're being asked to convert 5,000 grams into kilograms. So up top we have our conversion of 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So when we're converting grams into kilograms, we're thinking how many equal groups of 1,000 grams can I make? So this time we're going to be dividing by 1,000 instead of multiplying in order to convert grams to kilograms. So we're thinking how many equal groups of 1,000 can we make out of 5,000? Well, we know that we can make 5 whole groups of 1,000 out of 5,000. So when we convert 5,000 grams into kilograms, we get 5 kilograms. So now moving on to question number 3, this time we're being asked to convert 5 8/10 of a kilogram into grams. So this isn't going to be quite as straightforward as question number 1 because we have a decimal here. But there's still a simple way to solve this. So up top, we had to multiply 4 times 1,000 in order to convert 4 kilograms into grams. Well, anytime that you have a whole number, there is a decimal to the right of that whole number. We typically just don't write it because it's not necessary. But whenever we're multiplying a number by 1,000, we can accomplish this by simply just moving the decimal place 3 places over to the right. So for this number here, we're going to move this decimal place once, twice, and 3 times. And then we're going to fill these empty spaces with 0. Giving us 4,000, just like in our answer. So we're going to do the same thing to our decimal down below of 5 8/10. So we're going to move this decimal 3 places over to the right. And then we're going to fill these empty slots with zeros, giving us 5,800. So when we convert 5 8/10 of a kilogram into grams, we get 5,800 grams. Now moving on to question number 4, this time we're being asked to convert 12,300 grams into kilograms. So as you'll remember earlier, we had to divide 5,000 by 1,000 in order to convert our grams into kilograms. So just like we were able to use a simple trick in order to figure out the conversion for multiplying, we're able to do the same thing for dividing by 1,000 as well. So to start with, we had 5,000. And just like in this last example, there's always a decimal to the right of a whole number, except this time, instead of moving our decimal 3 places to the right in order to divide, we're going to move it 3 places to the left to divide 5,000 by 1,000. So we're going to move the decimal once, twice, and 3 times, giving us the whole number of 5. So now down below, we're going to do the same thing to convert our grams into kilograms. So we have a decimal right at the very end here, and then we're going to divide it by 1,000 by moving our decimal place once, twice, and 3 times in between the 2 and the 3, giving us an answer of 12 3/10. So when we convert 12,300 grams into kilograms, we get 12 3/10 of a kilogram. So hopefully by now you understand the steps involved when converting kilograms to grams and grams to kilograms. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.